Okay, so I have an Onkyo audio video control tuner model TX-SV313PRO, and it's having problems with sound. When you first power up, I'll switch over here to FM. The sound will only come out of one speaker, and the balance is set to the far left. When I go to the right, you don't hear anything until you turn the volume up, and it comes in very staticky. And what I found is that it's not the potentiometers here being dirty. I've cleaned those, and so to get into this, there's 5 screws, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back. I've already taken those off, and now we can get into this. And what I have found is that inside of here, you've got a relay that controls the power to the speakers. And if you go in here, it's right underneath this board here, and tap that relay, it actually makes it change, and now the sound's coming out of the right speaker, and it's real staticky on the left speaker. So the relay, it's the type that's sealed. You cannot take it apart and clean it. And so I have purchased a relay offline from Mouser, and the relay part number is G2RL-2A-DC24. It's a 24 volt relay, and this relay is very close to the original part that's in there, and the pin layout on the relay matches the pin layout on the board. So hopefully, if I want to swap these out, it's going to fix the sound issue on this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, unplug it. And one of the nice things about this particular product is that underneath we have full access to the board after removing this plate right here. So that plate is normally covering this area, but I've already removed it to save time here for the video, and so now I can gain access to the relay solder connections. And you can kind of line it up and see you have 4 pins here, 4 pins there, and then 2 pins. So I know right where the relay is, and I'll start desoldering that. Alright, just about got all the solder off. Looks like maybe a little bit more on this joint. It is a hard part to reach back and get to, for sure. Feels like I may not have got it all. There, they got it. Okay, so here's the relay. Here's the replacement. You can see those line up nice. The new relays are a little bit smaller in height, which will be quite fine because of the space where it's having to go. Make sure my holes are good and open from the solder so that relay will go through easy. All right. I think I'll spin it back down because gravity is our friend in this application anyway. That is one tough guy to get lined up. Okay, I believe it's snapped in place now. Yes, all four legs are through. Now we just need to solder those joints. Okay, looks good. Just double checking my work, make sure I didn't short to anything else in there. Okay, that all appears to be good. Plug it back in and we'll give it the smoke test. All right, we got good sound on both speakers. Works great. That's exactly what was wrong with it. This relay was making poor contact inside, and again, it's a sealed relay, so you couldn't take the cover off and clean the contacts. Some relays do have that ability. Unfortunately, this was not one of those. So thanks for watching.